This video covers what we talked about in class today on May 17th or May 18th if you're in 5th period. Mostly we just reviewed exponents in PEMDAS, so not a ton of new material, but there were a few vocab words we went over, and this video will cover them. So the first thing is the word squared. If you see something like 5 squared, or any number squared, what that's asking you to do is find 5 to the second power. In other words, 5 squared is equal to 5 to the second. That squared tells you it is 2 the second. The reason why this is true is because if you think about the formula for the area of a square, if the side lengths were 5, and of course on a square all the side lengths are the same, the area would be 5 squared, or 5 times 5. Now, the other new vocab word is for cubed. And that word cubed means to the third power. So, for example, 4 cubed is 4 to the third. Whenever you see cubed, you know you're working with the third power. And the reason why this is true is because if you think about a cube, and again, just like squares, cubes have all equal side lengths. And let's say that we had a cube where the length, width, and height were all 4. The volume would equal 4 cubed, or 4 times 4 times 4, length times width times height. Just like in a square, the area equals 5 squared. And that's where those words squared and cubed come from. So, the last thing we talked about today is raising a number to the 0 power. And 7 to the 0 power was our example. This is a little tricky and something you'll learn more about in later grades. But 7 to the 0 power is equal to 1. And actually, any number raised to the 0 power, no matter what the number is always 1. Those are just a few of the things that we reviewed today. If you need an extra review of exponents, I linked the previous exponent review video in the comments of this video, so be sure to check that out as well.